Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making a bread recipe that doesn't require any oven. Let's see how to make this wonderful Turkish bread or pita bread. It's the most easy to make and delicious bread that you can try at home. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make Turkish bread. Into a large mixing bowl, add half a kilo plain flour, also called all-purpose flour. One and a half tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of instant yeast. You can straight away add it to the flour. If you are using activated yeast, first mix it with warm water or milk. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for it to activate and then add it to the flour. This is 300 ml warm milk. Your milk should be warm, not hot. If it's hot, that will kill the yeast and your dough will not rise. Mix everything until well combined. Now add 3 tablespoons of olive oil or any unflavored oil and knead until you form a dough. Dust the working surface with some dry flour. Now let's knead this dough for 7 to 8 minutes to get a smooth dough. Add some olive oil to the bowl and spread it. Drizzle some olive oil on top so that it doesn't dry. Cover and keep it in a warm place. It should rest for an hour. The dough should be double in size. Now the dough has risen well, doubled in size. Now deflate it and knead one more time. Now let's divide the dough into equal portions. I have divided them into equal portions. Let it rest for 5 more minutes. Dust some dry flour on the surface and roll it evenly. The thickness should be 2 mm. Roll the rest of the dough and keep it ready. Heat up a pan. Keep the flame to medium-high heat. The pan should be nice and hot. Do not reduce the flame. It should be nice and hot. Otherwise the bread will not rise. Do not turn immediately. Wait for a minute for it to cook. Once you see big bubbles, now flip it to the other side. Wait for 1 more minute for it to cook. Once you see the bubbles, flip it over. Give a gentle press on all sides so that it will cook evenly. Keep turning and cooking till you get a fluffy bread. You can serve it as it is, or if you want to season it, melt some butter and add some herbs of your choice. Brush it on top and serve hot. This is so delightful, it melts in your mouth. As you can see, the Turkish bread is so soft and the pocket is perfect for holding any type of filling you desire. Turkish bread is so easy to make and delicious. This is perfect to make any shawarma. Once you get the hang of it, you won't buy this bread anymore. Give this recipe a go and share this recipe with your family and friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.